Alright guys, Victor Isibor here. This video is meant to show you how to navigate the Tafabot app. Alright, I will also show you how to deposit, what buttons to push where you want to do what, and how to set up the newly improved Neuralnet bot that is making waves right now. So every beginner in Tafabot needs to watch this video. It will show you how to do the basic things. Alright. So now let's say you just got started on Tafabot and you want to fund and buy a license and transfer money to your Tafafuel. Remember, to get started, the minimum requirement is that you need to send to Tafabot is $125. $100 being for your yearly subscription for the bot, while the remaining $25 goes to your fuel fee balance. Now, what is fuel fee? Fuel fee is where Tafabot deducts their own share of the profits that the robot makes for you. Remember, your capital and profit both are domiciled on your exchange, out of the reach of Tafabot. Tafabot cannot withdraw from there. So that's why you need to send a little extra of $25 to Tafabot. So that's from where they make their own deductions, okay? So your trade capital is in your exchange. Any amount you like, minimum of $100 and above in your exchange to be traded. But on Tafabot, you send $125. How do you do that? If you look at the bottom right corner of your screen right now that I'm circling, bottom right corner, the dollar sign. Okay, so when you click on it, what opens up to you is this particular page where you see deposit that I'm circling. You see withdraw and transfer beside it, but our focus is on deposit. All right, when you tap on that deposit button, you see a TRC20 USDT address, has been created and opened for you. And right in front of it is the copy button. So you just copy it, then you go and send $125 there. All right. When you send the $125, it will appear here on your main wallet balance that I'm circling on top of your screen. That's where it's going to appear. All right. So when it shows up on your balance, click on home. Bottom left corner, I'm circling. Click on home. Then look at the top right corner, the menu. Okay. The three horizontal lines, top right. Okay. When you click on it, in the drop down, you will see buy/upgrade your license. Buy/upgrade your license. And when you tap on it, you see the different license levels. Okay. The best economically that makes sense is the yearly subscription. All right. So go for the $100 per year license. All right, that should be okay for you, except if you want more features, but the $100 per year license is good enough. Okay, I am on the $500 per year license, but go for the $100 per year license. So tap on it, it will be highlighted. Then what you do is you now click on the activate button. If you do that, $100 will be deducted from the $125 you deposited. You'll be left with $25. Now close this page. All right. Go to the bottom right corner, dollar sign, click on it. What you will now have left on your available balance will be $25 after activating the bot with $100. All right. Now click on transfer. When you click on transfer, by default, the transfer is to fuel balance. So you don't need to touch it because that's what we want to do. We want to transfer the remaining $25 on your balance to your fuel. All right. So the last column, tap on it, then write 25 there. Then you click on confirm. Congratulations, you have successfully funded, bought a license for a year, and transferred your fuel fee to your fuel balance. All right. So when you do that, after clicking confirm, that $25 you sent will now appear here where I'm circling fuel balance as $25. Now, if you have done this, then you have succeeded in, depositing, buying your license and all that. So the next thing you would do is, of course, to connect your API connection. All right, API connection, there's a separate video for that, or I could guide you via video live so that you don't make any mistakes. You can ask for the video as well. Okay, so now how do you now subscribe to the Neuralnet bot? From the home page, look at the middle at the bottom, the middle button at the bottom, the plus, the plus sign, the blue plus button. When you tap on it, you will see three options: mirror trading, create your bot, join our affiliate program. You are going to tap on create your bot. So when you tap on create your bot, look at the top, you see martingale bot, and you see this drop down button that I'm circling. When you tap on the drop down button, you will see the different bots available on Tafabot. Okay, the one we're interested in, of course, is the Neuralnet bot that I'm circling. You have martingale bot, trend bot, smart invest bot. So now click on Neuralnet bot. As soon as you click on Neuralnet bot, look on top here. Neuralnet bot is now highlighted. All right, so you now click on get started. So when you tap on get started, Neuralnet bot is 100% hands-free. Okay, Tafabot is changing the narrative. Just plug and play. So all you need to do is tell the Neuralnet bot how much you want to trade with. Okay, how much capital do you want to trade with? So let's say, for instance, you're trading, minimum capital is $100. Let's assume you're trading with the minimum. Tap on $100, then click on this button, go. Then it's going to ask you, which one do you want to do, spot bot or futures bot? All right, spot or futures. Here at Tafabot, you make money in spot even in a falling market. But let's leave that. Let's assume you're going for the futures bot. You tap on futures. Anytime anybody wants to interact with futures bots, there's always a risk warning. Okay, it doesn't mean anything, it's just normal. Okay, click on I accept the risk. All right, then it's going to ask you which exchange do you want to trade on. There are lists of exchanges here. Let's say it is Binance. I choose. All right, so that's it. That's all. That's all that you need to do. Okay, the next thing is just click on create bot. Create bot. That's it. You're done. I have a Neuralnet bot already set up, so I don't need to click on create bot. All right, this bot is doing crazy numbers, and you want to subscribe to this bot. I recommend this. So that's all. Once you click on create bot. So when you have created the bot, it's going to show you a place to switch on the bot. But in case it doesn't show you, look at the bottom right screen here. Tap on it. You will see the bot you just created, and you will see a toggle sign at the front of it. Okay, where you can toggle it on. So when you toggle it on, then you're done. Your bot will start taking position on Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.